I am here vibing with a man who attained superstardom status as part of the Black CHINEY collective in the early 2000s. His parents named him Robert Lee, but we know him as
Bobby Chen.
Super Bobby.
I don't know how you know that name, but
The
you're
man
good.
that run the girls them lobby.
Yeah, when you say Super Bobby, that's
Yeah.
the original
Original.
name that music have.
Yeah, but we gotta get to all of them something. Oh, you're
Yeah.
doing great, man.
Well, we're up on a survival mode.
Survival mode.
Yeah, man. But by the grace of God, we're there the same way, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Give thanks.
It's a joy for being in the man's presence, sir.
Yeah, man, it's a joy.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Talk to us though, Bobby. Early life. Place of birth.
Alright, I was born in Kingston, Jamaica.
Yeah.
Grew up uptown
Uptown.
Yeah,
Which part
but-
of uptown?
in Amona.
Mona.
Yeah, man, but not one of them troublemaker uptown youth. They would just love dancehall music and we always, head downtown, some dance, to gain that experience to bring back to the uptowners. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, so back in those days, that's when I knew music was for me.
How many brothers and sisters?
I have 3 brothers, 2 sisters.
Okay, and they're still alive? All of them?
Everybody's still
It's
alive.
a blessing, that man.
Yeah, it's a blessing.
The old man and old lady still with us?
No, my mother died and my father died.
Okay.
Unfortunately.
My condolences, man.
Yeah, man.
Where you attended school?
I went to St. Teresa's Prep. And then I went to St. George's College.
Okay.
Then we do some things over UWI, you know what I mean?
Oh, you went to UA?
Yeah, man. Over Karamak.
Karamak?
Yeah.
You completed that course of study?
Well, kind of,
What were you studying?
Mass communication.
Mass comm?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? What you mean, kinda? You graduate?
Back in the days, you could have paid for things,
Yeah.
So,
Ever use the Karamak qualification?
Never.
Never?
no,
Never.
never.
Yeah. Financially speaking, what was it like growing up in Mona?
Well, it's an uptown environment.
Right.
Well, to be broke and growing up uptown, I never knew what that was.
Okay.
You know what I mean? My parents used to really shelter us and basically give us what we want.
Right.
So we don't go road and go get trouble and,
Yeah, man, definitely.
But it was different.
It was different.
Yeah.
You made mention that, you made reference to music early on, yeah?
Yeah.
How early though you really start, feel a musical vibration there?
All right, the music part of my thing start about 12, 13.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And I used to go watch my older brother play.
Oh, so your
Yeah.
brother was a selector?
Yeah, man, he used to play Cataract and Roadstar.
Your
Remember
brother used to play Cataract and Roadstar?
Yeah, man.
What's his name?
Ringo.
Ringo.
Yeah, man.
A two big sound, that,
Yeah, man. He's presently Chinese assassin now,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
He's not bad like me still.
You know
But
bad like you?
no, but yeah.
So you used to go watch him play?
Yeah. And my little brother is the one who used to do the remix them. You know what I mean?
Okay.
My thing was the mixing.
So from earlier you love the mixing?
Yeah. I wasn't really an MC until
Down the line?
down the line.
Yeah, we pick up that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So seeing your brother now playing those sounds kind of help, solidify the musical desire.
That's true. I saw it. That's the way you're supposed to see it. But I wanted to take over his spot.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's like
Okay.
I know I'm better than him. And he used to bully me.
Okay.
Because, him see my talent. And I said, we just bully him back. Yeah, man. We used to play over UA at the
And which song?
the Hall Fete them Studio B.
Oh, okay.
Studio B is our original uptown sound.
So who created that song?
Emilio de Mesa, Lorenzo de Mesa, Richard de Mesa. All of we used to go judges.
Oh, so it's a George's Crew type
and my
vibration.
brother, yeah. Lorenzo passed away.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and Emilio still around.
So the song was based in Mona?
Yeah, man.
And how early were you able to actually, go around the sound outside of the yard?
About when we just leave high school.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So 16, 17 them
Yeah,
time.
them time. But by them time, them a bad.
Them you're bad already.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
And you earlier took on the name Super Bobby.
Yes.
How you put that together?
Because Bobby is a shortening for Robert.
Right.
And I was Super.
You did super.
Yeah. And the community of Mona bust a lot of sound. Remember Code Red?
Yes, definitely.
Jazzy T,
Yeah.
Renaissance, that the ugly brother there. A lot of sound. You remember a sound named Colossus?
Colossus, heard of it. I think
Yeah.
Ambassador come from the side
Ambassador,
too.
Carlisle, Soul Sensation. It was a big thing
Ah.
to be a DJ back in those
So
days.
which was a big uptown sound at the time?
A song called Leisure.
Leisure. Oh,
Yeah.
that sound uptown.
Yeah, that's what Delano used to play.
Okay.
Yeah, Delano and Mixmaster Marvin used to play Leisure.
Okay. Cool, man.
Yeah, and them used to be the uptown sound. Then Ambassadors for sure. David Muir. Then my virgin Carlisle. You know Carlisle?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
But early out though, who were the people in the space? Not necessarily Mona, but in the sound system landscape that you were hearing or seeing
That I look up to?
really and truly influenced you and gave you a motivation there?
Number one is a brother named Squeeze.
Squeeze.
Yeah. I used to watch this man play and be like, whoa, how him, mix and Soul Sensation, Rory,
Okay.
Mark Dragon, Inner City.
Inner City.
It's a whole heap of them.
Whole heap of them.
Yeah.
So those were the men who you saw and heard and say, yeah, I really and truly want to do this to take care of myself.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Rory was so unique.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man. You just like, you want to be this man, and thing, yeah. And I'd say the more Squeeze was the main one.
Okay.
As a little uptown youth growing up, to be like that, yeah.
You were not
You know who
around
used to play Studio B?
Studio B. Well, you were around Studio B now as
Yeah.
a training ground.
Yes.
But you say it's bad already anyway. But
No, I have to watch everybody play.
Watch everybody.
And then when the party done, me run go grab the turntable
Oh.
and play, yeah.
And play.
Dr. Dre was on Studio B too.
Okay, cool, man.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cause it's a Mona youth that again,
Yeah.
you know.
How big did that sound get though?
It was very big in the rich people parties.
Uptown space.
Yeah. But we're troublemakers, man. As uptown youth, we used to go to the people in the uptown party and steal them plate and fork and you know.
Yeah.
I remember one time we play Waterworks, and this rich lady come and give us this huge amount of fireworks and just say at midnight, guys, shoot. And show we a thief now. Till midnight come and one firework go off.
One single one.
Yeah.
Wanna
The
carry-
woman come
carry
and say,
over
where,
them?
yeah, what? And the record box loaded with plate. A knife and fork. Yeah, but those were the days.
Which were what was the first big sound you remember Studio B lining up at swinging up beside the door?
Yeah, well, Leisure sometimes, because
Leisure.
we're like close.
Oh, okay.
Studio B. You know, one time I go to a place named Corville.
Corville, okay.
I don't know how we end up this as uptown. Now we end up a clash with a brother named Wani. Squad 51.
Squad 51.
Yeah, sorry.
Eh. And did you guys have a physical sound or just record box?
Everything.
Everything?
Yeah, man, everything.
Okay. And Squad 51 was the first clash you guys were involved in?
Kinda-ish.
Kinda-ish.
We play against the next sound on Chisholm Avenue and we start kill them. And them just start bad whip.
Which sound was that?
I don't remember, because bad whip. Yeah, I could run out of the place.
Yeah. So at this time, you guys were stringing up alongside Travelers and them sound too?
Kinda.
Kinda.
Yeah. There was the Travelers and the African Star, them and Prestige. You ever what that's one?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Silverhawk.
Silverhawk. String up alongside our clash.
String up.
String up.
Roadstar.
Ian.
We used to play a
Ian
lot.
was playing one side at the time.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Mixmaster Ian, yeah. A lot of UE Feds.
Oh, okay.
Student Union. You know a song named HMV?
Heard of it?
Yeah, them we grew up together, CHINEY.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long were you playing studio before though?
Years, man.
Years.
Yeah, years.
And you never do enough for my mic work on studio, be just mixing.
Mixing, yeah.
Just mixing.
I was shy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Bobby Chin.
Yeah, well,
You play that sound for give me a time frame.
about 12 years.
About 12 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you say you started about when you were about 13, 14?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Eventually now though, you moved on from Studio B and migrated. Because you play any other sound in Jamaica before you left? Other than Studio B?
No, because out of everybody who grew up in our little neighborhood, I was the first one to get the bus.
Oh, okay.
To go away.
Right.
And play a big sound. Earthquake.
Right. So you left when you were about, I think about age 21 there
Yes, yes.
What was the story behind you moving away from Jamaica to DC though?
Well, I had a cousin, you know, and she got in some trouble. And then she came back to Jamaica. So she was living with us, and she was like, oh, her baby daddy have a sound. And she see me around here, you know?
Right.
So what she don't know, she just hook me to the baby daddy, and then, him bring me up. And that was in Washington, D.C.
Right.
And I remember the first night I got there, him take me to a room and say, yo, are your bedroom this? A apartment? No bed in just a mattress on the ground. 4 o'clock in the morning, teach him. A beer light in my face, police. And I say, oh, no, that's not him. And I said, what is I get myself in now?
First night.
The very first night. So, actually, get past that. The next day, me and I want a high-speed chase. So me are driving in the car with the boss, and him see a man that owe him money.
Yeah.
And tell the man pull over, and the man through the whole of DC we are drive down this man, high speed. I say, what is this? Am I getting myself involved with again? So I start play the sound now. Remember, this is a little uptown youth, you know.
Yes.
So man say, yeah man, what dance is that there? I said, alright, cool. Earthquake sound is in the middle. There's a sound on the right, and then a sound on the left. Guess who's on my right?
Not sure.
Bodyguard.
Bodyguard.
Yeah. And
Oh,
guess who
yeah?
up on my left?
These.
Glamour Wayne.
Oh, Gemini.
Gemini. You take a little uptown youth now and put him between them two big men there.
Yeah. So who was playing? Yeah, Johnny or Lynx?
Johnny.
Johnny.
Yeah. And
So-
Glamour Wayne.
And Glamour Wayne and play Gemini.
Yeah, I'll never forget that. I'm a
Was
mash up
that
that.
clash dance or juggling dance?
No, them never clash. It was juggling.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I mash up the dance.
And you were just mixing.
Yes.
So
Correct.
who was playing Earthquake with you at the time?
A guy named Burby G, and him did good too.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool, no, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Which were the big sounds in DC when you got there?
Emperor. You know Emperor?
Heard of them?
Freddie Dread them. Safari.
Safari.
Revolution. Upsetter. Destiny.
Okay.
Yeah. But Earthquake was up there. The three big one them was Earthquake,
Emperor.
Emperor, and Safari. There was a dance called the King of DC.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill all of them.
Yeah. Okay, cool, no, man. Oh, you say all of them dead?
Yeah, man. Kill
That
them.
was early or further down in the Earthquake journey?
Further down.
Further down.
In the Earthquake journey,
Yeah.
it's really remarkable because the first time Black Cat came to
DC?
America, them kill Addis in New York and play against me the next week.
Oh, so hold on. So you play Panther the week after him kill King of these?
I'm gonna kill him. I come in on the dance in a full ninja suit, you can only see my eye. I'm gonna put on one song and the whole dance done.
Which song was that?
Who know better? Show me who know.
Okay.
And the whole sound tumble down for me, everybody jump on top of me.
And the dance will continue after that?
Yeah, but he did kill me back after.
Him kill him after that?
Yeah.
Okay. So
Well-
your first big victim, Skull,
That's it.
and earthquake was Black Cat.
Yeah.
So hold on. So you killed Black Cat before you killed the freak?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And even before you take on a freak, you know, see? Eventually,
I have to tell you that freak story that you know.
yeah, man, we have to talk about freak.
Yeah.
I think eventually, now you became responsible for building out Earthquake's catalog. You were the person now cutting the dub plates.
Well, there was Corporal C, there was Burbie G, and then everybody just start, you know?
Okay.
You know what I was like, teach him? I was like, say, a stripper that is so pretty that when she go into a club and she dancing, she taking all the attention and the money, and the other girls
Yeah.
want to fight her.
Oh, so bad vibes developed.
Yeah, but everybody just cut.
Oh, everybody left.
Yeah, and leave me alone and a guy named Keith. So Keith is the one that just wipe off the record and say, Bobby, play. So me and mix now and talk.
So that is where the MC part of the journey
Right.
kicks in.
Yeah.
Oh.
I had to learn quick.
Okay.
You know, I remember I say uptown people not say bad words like that.
Yeah. So you have to learn because the bad word them
come on.
right to you and sit.
You know, uptown people, I let them to them say, frig! You know?
Yeah, man.
Don't love you, say, yo, what a bum, you know?
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah, but we just learn. Then, you know, the boss them really like me.
Okay, cool.
So they make sure I have everything. The latest car, phone, everything more.
So you were well taken care of.
Yeah, man. And them did rich.
Okay, cool. So money I spent on its own.
Yeah, man.
I think you also clashed
Radigan,
Kill
him.
So Radigan was before a freak?
After.
After a freak. Alright, so I'm going to talk about a freak then. How did a freak?
Which one you talking about? The girl or the sound?
The sound.
Oh.
Yeah. So
we can talk about the freak.
Yeah, we can do that. The Afrik dance, the first dance.
Yeah.
Was it booked as a clash or is a juggling turned into a clash?
No clash, but my boss them love clash.
Okay. So from someone string up anything possible.
Yeah, so it was Crazy Richie that came, him alone.
Oh.
I have to mention
So no
this.
Dragon or Twitch.
Or Claude.
Or Claude.
Yeah, man, Twitch a baby to that thing. Yeah,
Oh,
man.
Twitch never did it yet?
No, man.
Okay.
I don't know where him come from. But me and him used to go judges together.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I have to tell you this. The first time I come to America and I saw a freak play, I couldn't believe what I was seeing.
Oh, yeah.
Them did control America when it come to, they were the stone love of America.
Right.
Claude, Richie, and Jagga B. No lie. When you put them on your dance, guaranteed.
Dance a success.
Yeah. But I never hear about Bobby Chin. So a guy book a dance, I think him named Piggy. And Richie come teach him, kill that dead.
Oh, Crazy Richie get it.
Yeah. So the promoter come to me with Crazy Richie is my oldest daughter, godfather now.
Okay.
Promoter said, no, you can't kill Richie. You can't kill a freak. That's enough.
Because Claude and Jagana did it.
Yeah. Send back for all three. I'm going to kill them again.
Same in a DC?
Right in a DC.
Oh, okay.
I actually never have a hotel room for change my clothes. I'm changing in their room. You know?
Not for them room.
I end up killing them and them. And them just get a respect for me.
Oh, okay. A big window to the brother.
Yep.
I mean, even though Afrique wasn't an out and out class sound,
They weren't
but
a
big
classroom,
sound.
but them good.
Yeah, big sound.
Yeah, man. Yo, juggling wise.
Yes,
Oh, man.
yes.
When Claude start talk on the mic and Richie a juggle and, you know.
Yeah, man. And I said there was the King of DC class, so that was with Safari and
When I reach, I
Emperor.
say it. Remember, some kill Radigan, you know.
Oh, Raddy, yeah.
Yeah.
So Radigan was after Afrique.
Yeah.
Eh.
Me and Addies go down in night, you know, with Mataran and Babyface, you know.
After Raddy.
Yeah, the second clash with Black Cat when him kill me.
Eh.
The boss, them, sister, me, you know, lose the dance, because the crowd upon Black Cat, they never dub. I don't care what nobody wants. I the baddest dub that, other than Stone Love. Not call me name, just in the room and show. A Buju, right?
Yeah, man.
And its sound, Panther drop that pan.
Dead.
And when the man dropped that in the dog, the light then just cut out. The next morning I go home, I see the trophy on my TV. So the boss then just lock off the light.
Oh, you didn't realize the earthquake.
Two we lose,
Okay,
and just
yeah.
cheat. And lock off the breaker. Somebody go around and lock off the breaker and thief the trophy.
But the Panther win the dance.
Yeah, him win it.
Yeah, man.
Him win it, man.
Respect that.
Yeah, him win it. By a mile.
But
Yeah.
yeah, you say Addies with Mataran and Face.
Yeah.
But you never say me kill them, you say we go down in night. So what go another dance? So like I get it.
No, man. Them couldn't kill me.
What you mean them couldn't kill him?
No, man. Them go on good.
Yeah?
But them not kill
What
me.
the dance here?
Huh? DC.
DC.
Yeah, if I New York, them would have killed me. But nobody know. Barely any sound come at DC come here.
Okay.
The first time Metro Media come there and keep on meeting with me, you know.
What you mean keep meeting?
Promote on Sky Juice. Man, Sky Juice, I said, Bobby, me here, I kill everybody but me name of the war thing. And I said, Sky Juice, if you have to dead, you're going dead. You know what I mean?
So what go on that dance?
Nothing, I love him.
Oh, you love him?
Yeah, I have a great amount of respect for Sky Juice.
Cool.
Yeah, learn what he from him, you know.
And you say Raddy, you know. How the Raddy dance go?
Kill him.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Kill him. Back in those days, I was a mixer, as I told you. Radigan can't mix like how me can mix. So his slow type of playing would work in a authentic clash.
Right.
But what me use and kill him is jog around him. Some of the girl them a go.
Right.
So by the time him come now and, you know, you know, him not get no foul. Him hold on him head and play the whole dance.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get some big stripe during the earthquake journey, man.
Yeah, man.
We
Come
talk
out of
about...
Jamaica, you know.
See again?
I come out of Jamaica and start what be a see them pull out gun for me. You know.
With earthquake?
Yeah.
Which part of the dance you keep?
Same time.
So hold on. So when I say pull gun, are people in the crowd or people on the side?
I don't know who them
You
try
don't
to
know.
intimidate me.
So it was you and Keith or you alone coming here?
Me and Keith and the boss.
Okay.
And we had a sound playing on called Earthquake from Arakabes and it brought down. I'm a go up and bass of this sound. So what them was saying basically, Bobby, you can't come on our sound and play and kill me. But me did terribly not teach him.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, some of them never care. Them time the Squingy was a box boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Tina wanna play sound anytime?
Yes.
Okay. And it's a gunja.
Yeah. Well, then the show gone, you know, I'm not really drawn.
So all the dance done?
Premature, you know, because we just get mad, we just get mad and go away.
Okay. So which other dance you don't play at Jamaica? Which other big sound you don't play against out there?
You name it.
Really?
Yeah, man, I don't know big sound.
A yard, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Eh?
Yeah, man, play against every sound, man. When we used to come here, you know?
Yeah. That me talk about.
Yeah, man, we play against Travelers and Standpipe.
Clash or juggling dance?
Juggle.
Juggle. So you play with, you don't
Yeah.
play against.
Play with African Star.
Okay.
And because of Fully Loaded, we play with almost every big sound.
Right, well, which is true.
Yeah,
which is
yeah.
true. But I mean outside of fully loaded, I wouldn't even touch this yet. Because you're not them time that you're not involved in a fully loaded yet.
All of the mobile sound them.
Pieces and
Yeah,
Electro
yeah.
Force
Yeah, man.
and Tika Music and all of them.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh, so hold on. So with pieces. A clash dancer?
No.
Okay.
Fraggy can't clash with
Wait,
me.
say Frankie can't clash with you?
No. But a general will kill me, not Fraggy.
That Frankie? Okay, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
I never knew, say the sound used to come and Jamaica come play. I thought I just these who
Not Black Chiney, no, Earthquake.
Earthquake, that me I talk about.
Yeah,
I never know
yeah.
say earthquake used to
Yeah,
come
man.
and Jamaica
Yeah,
come
man,
play.
yeah, man.
Okay, cool. We live and we learn.
Yeah.
But what in the States now though? When they play outside of DC,
Yeah.
but it don't sound like enough.
No.
We don't clash outside of DC.
Because every week I was dancing at DC, so clash out at DC. I think we went to New York once, but I didn't go.
Who no play
Addies.
Addies.
Yeah.
So Addies when they dance.
Yeah, I think so. I didn't play though.
Okay.
Cali. It's a long history I go down in there.
Then that we come for collecting about me.
Yeah, I know. Almost every song we play against, everybody know me. Yeah.
But most of the big dances were in Washington.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm a coward. I know I'm
You're coward.
Yeah.
So yeah, see we're back it there. And also it has been said before that Earthquake, the people around Earthquake was bad people in our real life.
There were, yes.
They were.
Yeah.
So that kind of help build your confidence. So you have back it at DC too.
Yeah, when I'm going to dance, somebody not mess with me.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Hey, you see the console? The man them used to put them gun them under the mixer and the thing. So when them come in at the dance, them come to me.
And pull them.
I'm just take it out and give them, take it out and give them, take it out and give them. Yeah, man.
Question.
Yeah.
Because we have many people have spoken about the novelty of Sammy and Simon.
Yeah.
And Mighty Crown.
Yeah.
Do you think that because you kind of had a different look and probably a different sound than the regular selector at the time that kind of helped your rise
What
at
you
the
mean?
time? So normally then time the selector them don't have the Asian mix in them and mostly Jamaican straight talking roughneck. Now we have a Asian Jamaican brother where I do the thing and you think that kind of help had.
I see where you're going, but I'd say 70% right.
Okay.
It is
Kind of help had a little mystique to it thing.
it's unusual to see two Chinese Jamaicans.
Yeah, but even before Black China, I thought during the
So-
earthquake rise,
So
if you think, that little novelty they kind of help, the curiosity around you and kind of help also, bring people towards you
all
and
right.
so on.
So what do you think bring people towards Rory? His look.
Mm,
Him have that look there too, you understand?
right.
And back in them days, I was probably the best looking selector.
So that helped.
It helped Wally become a Wally
Bring the girls them around the song.
Oh my God.
So that, yeah.
Yeah. Big up Samantha, yeah.
Bobby said was the best looking selector at the time.
No, am I lying? I don't tell lies.
We don't do all I selected at the time, Bobby. We couldn't
But you're not supposed to say man look good either. Yeah.
I would say, yeah, that's what
Ask Mataran that question.
it's an out story. You took
Yeah.
Earthquake and raised
To
the
the highest
level of
level.
the sound.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
How long were you around that machine for?
Couple years well.
Couple years well.
Yeah. It went to the highest level that it could go to.
Okay. What led to you moving away from Earthquake?
Because I was the prettiest or the most handsome selector, I started to have kids.
Makes sense.
So I had 4 daughters.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. And one of my daughters had moved to Miami. And I got a call that she have leukemia.
Oh.
So I had to move there and stay and, yeah. But you're alright now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Glad to hear that. So, question. Were you still playing Earthquake in Florida or you
No.
just leave Earthquake behind?
I left it behind, and when I got to Florida, I joined Poison Dart, Kirky see them.
Okay.
Yeah.
How that link them make up though? Come about.
Cause everybody know me a bad selector, man. Yeah. And Kirky see us, him give me the opportunity, you know? Me and
Yes.
Dupes. It's me and Dupes in my hair one time, you know?
So you and Dubs joined the sound same time?
No, me first.
You first.
Yeah, and then
So I think Dubs was playing Rhythm
Rhythm.
Force, Rhythm
no,
something.
Rhythm Style.
Rhythm style.
Yeah. And me bring on Dupes, I'm gonna share my pay with him.
Oh, well, even before we reached this, sir.
Yeah.
I never know that still. So when you went to Poison Dart, it was Kirkisy, Redman.
Yeah.
During your early Poison Dart days,
Yeah.
you actually there play the song in a dance?
Why them bench me, you know?
The bench you.
Cause Kirkisy was the main man.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and him that go on with him thing, him the bad.
Right.
And Redman the dead too, you know? So I just play my little role, you know?
Which was what?
When I get a dance, I just go play.
Oh, okay. So you were going to play by yourself, or you had somebody?
Me and Dupes now.
Yeah. Oh, so Dupes came on.
Yeah.
So you say you now brought Dupes on the sound.
Yeah.
How the link with you and Dupes make?
Kirkisy used to link Dupes to the remixes.
Oh, okay.
So I used to go link Dupes. Because Kirk live at Tampa, me there, Florida, Miami.
Right.
Oh, I'm going to link Dupes. I say, no, man, the brother, yeah. Terrible. So I'm bringing Pam Poison that.
Oh, so he left Rhythm Style
Yes.
to move over to Poison Dart.
Yeah.
So question now, because you made mention earlier that you brought him on and was sharing your pay. So it wasn't a situation where he was fully employed by Poison Dart.
No, but Kirkisy did done rate him.
Okay.
So without a doubt, he would have been a Poison Dart member, even, you know,
Right.
without. Because Dupes did really, really, really talented.
And as I said, Kirkisy rate him. I think early out, well, initially, Kirkisy and Dupes kind of developed a chemistry of sort.
Hey, teach them is the best.
Well,
You study your thing.
We try.
Yeah, man. Because Kirk now and Dupes was a wicked combination. And I used to sit back and watch, you know.
Okay.
And I said, you know, so I have to go get out Kirk too.
So let me ask you a question now though, because if you were up on the sound first,
Yeah.
you bring Dupes on the sound, you never feel no type of way if you see a man come and even before you really step up around the sound, him and Kirkisy kind of develop a killer partnership. You never feel a way like, say, me not love a style.
I'm human.
Okay.
But you see when you say progress, you either join it or you disrupt it.
Yeah.
If you disrupt it, you can mash up the whole thing.
True.
And I say that to say this. When we reach to the Black China part, you know what I talk about.
Okay, cool, no, man. Cool.
Yeah, but I just play my role.
Yeah, just play a role.
Yeah.
And I think you were the one now who was the link between the Jamaican DJs and Poison Dart. Because
Yeah,
I think
man.
you kind of
And me come down and cut the dub them.
responsibility for cut the dubs them.
Yeah, man. Killer and everybody, man.
Yeah. Oh, so the link with Killer make from your own Poison Dart. Important link that.
Yeah.
But eventually now, you and Dupes started to work together and the chemistry started building.
All right. The sound was getting so popular.
Yeah, then I get multiple booking, double booking.
So me and Dupes now, you know?
So Redman and Kirky gone,
Yeah.
and you and Dupes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So Dupes a mix, and you burn up the talker phone.
Right.
Cool. And I think so. At this time, you were still going by with the moniker Super Bobby.
No.
So the name changed.
Yeah.
What led to the change?
All right. The first name that me and Dupes get.
Ping and Pang.
Yeah. We never like it.
Who was Ping and who was Pang?
We never remember.
You know?
I mean, yeah. I think I was Pink or Dupes in fat, so then call him Pang.
Pang. Okay. Yeah.
But Killer now. Say yo, call himself Black Chiney. So we just
No,
change it.
even if no, we're not talking about the song here. We're talking about from Super Bobby to Bobby Chin.
Really and truly, I think Dupes give me that name.
Dupes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, so the Chin, the Chinese look on the Bobby from the Robert, Super Bobby.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, man, when I reach Black Chinese on here,
Right,
we're talking about from Super Bobby to Bobby Chin.
Yeah, man.
So the Bobby Chin and Super Dupes now, history kind of start, the foundation a set.
Yeah.
Bill.
Yeah.
And at this time, because you said that he was doing the remixes for Poison Dart, he now started to do remixes to release separate and apart from that.
Yes.
Sight.
And what really caused the problem with Poison Dart is I went to a dance one night. I'm usually stay over, but I just decide to come home. I went up on the 75, I come down and but up on the back seat, I hold a nap. Next thing you know, the car just a roll over. Drop in at the swamp, from Alligator Alley.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my little brother was a driver and everybody get ejected through window and except me. And that was just tragic. My little brother had to the plastic surgery and Smooth, it was in the passenger seat, in play HMV, you know. Yeah, and everybody did mash up.
Okay.
But we'll make it through. You know, only the car never make it through.
So what caused the flip though?
My brother fall asleep, them say.
Oh, side.
Yeah. But by the grace of God, we're there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
We give
So I had to
thanks
just put
that.
in that little part about.
Yeah, man, yeah. Because, but you preface that by saying that started the problem with Poison Dart. How that was.
But just couldn't bother with the driving back and forth from.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Side.
And true meeting at the accident now, you know. Yeah.
But even before we take on the next part of the journey,
Yeah.
the Poison Dart journey, because it wasn't as long as the earthquake journey.
No.
Right.
No.
But do you remember any big dances that you personally was involved on the song?
Radigan again.
Ready again?
Yeah. And the man did
Florida?
have Tampa.
Tampa?
Orlando, sorry.
Okay.
And me did say a thing on the mic and him never like it at all. And me and him is close, you know. Him come at the dance without him woman. I'm hold the mic and say, Radigan, why you come at the dance without your woman and you know what, you know? Me I go back at the hotel and you understand?
Yeah, but definitely.
No, I'm never like
You
that.
never pleased with that?
I may understand.
Okay.
Respect, you know?
Yeah.
I know everybody for this or say certain things, but I never have no limit.
Poison Dart want to dance?
No.
Radigan want to dance?
Yeah, Radigan.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. But thank God say me never did up front. I Kirky see them take the beating.
Oh, so you just hold the mic for a short time?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Any other big dance like Poison Dart journey? Or any big dance, you not even have to play the song, but you're in the dance and Poison Dart a kill song or
Addies.
Or then dead, whichever way.
King Chalice.
And the Addies dance was a clash dance?
Every dance Poison Dart play back in the days I usually
turn out in a clash?
Yeah. We go to Texas, what the sound him? Super Goal?
Super Goal.
Yeah, that was a big dance. So. What if I dance?
Yeah,
man.
But you playing the song in a lot of big dance never really happened?
No, me and Dubs play one dance in Canada and that was crazy.
Oh, the Canadian dance.
Yeah,
so that I think it was 99 that. I think it was Poison Dart, Desert Storm,
oh my God.
King Turbo, Diplomat, Magnum Force.
Yeah.
I think, if you can correct me if I'm wrong, you know.
Yeah.
I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah.
But me hear of that dance before.
Yeah, man, it broke out in a war.
Gunshot fire and sitting.
Wally.
What go on?
The owner for Desert, is Desert Storm?
Desert Storm.
Yeah, him box somebody from King Turbo, I think. I'm not sure. One of the others own him.
Oh, so he box a next selector?
Yeah.
Why?
Some argument, all me know me and Dubs up on the ground and shot us a fire. I remember Dubs saying to me, Bobby, see your passport, I don't know when get it.
So who was firing the shot? People in the audience are selected them?
How I must know when I'm on the ground?
I don't know, you probably hear after radar, so we don't know. Man,
just
talk
hear
about the dance, Bobby, where be the boy.
We hear people are scream and me I say, Dubs, so I go and I say, no. Uptown youth in this?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we just stay low.
Yeah, okay.
But the boss of Desert Storm, him name Concord, him dead.
Right.
Now. Is him actually carry go to dance?
So now them certified?
Yeah. So, me and Dub say, yo, we have to break ties with this man in the dog.
Yeah.
And thing with. We reach home back at the hotel and boom, man, you know?
Oh, okay.
But that was the experience. And, you know, The guy that did the interviews, what's his name? From Canada.
Muscle.
He was there.
Oh, Muscle was there.
Him can tell you, him have it on audio.
Okay, cool.
Him have the audio.
For the clash.
Yeah,
The
when the shot, you
ballistics.
hear the shot them.
Okay, cool, man.
And people are screaming, yeah man, he was there, man.
Oh, cool. We need to listen to that one at them time.
Yeah, link him, man.
Question now, though.
Yeah.
Poison Dart's departure. And even before that, just like how you come to Jamaica come play Earthquake, whenever come to Jamaica come play, represent Poison Dart yet?
Kirkisy did.
Kirkisy, okay, but
I
not you
probably
and
did on a
Dupes.
couple occasions too, but
Oh.
me and Dupes.
You and Dupes?
Yeah, because we go all to St. Lucia, me and Dupes.
Okay.
Actually, no. When Dupes went there, he played, the MC was Bambino for Dupes.
Oh, okay, cool. But eventually now, you and Dupes
Yeah.
formed a team. And how far along was Black China before you guys stepped away from Poison Dart?
It wasn't that far
It
enough.
wasn't that far.
And,
But the remixes were going out.
what was happening on Poison Night? People were booking us, requesting us a lot.
Yeah.
So we just decided that we're going to do one thing.
Oh. You
Yeah.
feel like the name big enough now where we can break away.
It was just a matter on moment for us.
Understand.
Yeah.
Understand. So you and Dupes decide for going separate ways. Was there any bad blood between...
No, me and Dupes were going to separate. I mean, Kirkisy.
No, yeah man, I mean you and Dupes went the separate way from Poison Dart. Was there any bad blood with the Poison Dart aggregation?
I'm pretty sure with Kirkisy and thing, but him never actually show me. But, you know, energy.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but him never really show me because he's not that type of person. If him a go 100, to help you, him do it.
Right.
So I don't have nothing bad to say about him.
Right.
Even though him ugly and belly big like. I don't have nothing bad to say about Kirk.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
It was Ping and Pong first.
Yeah.
And it was Killer who decided
Change
that
the name.
the name for change
Because of the mixed tapes,
Right.
the CDs, yeah.
to the sound should name Black China
Right.
and Super Dupes and Bobby Chin the selectors.
Right, the CD was called Black China.
Black China, right.
So Killer does. Why you don't call on yourself that?
I think 1999 was the year when you and Dupes really and truly decided for, you know what I mean, take on the street as a duo. The black in the Black China was now Richard Flores, man.
Yes.
Who is he and what did he do in Black China?
Richard Flores is a guy from Cayman.
Oh,
That we used to link with.
okay.
Yeah, him live in England now. Him actually big in the music business.
Production and playing
Production,
music.
and him used to manage Chanel Muir.
Oh, okay. Oh,
And
I think he probably the other name you know. They said I think he used to manage Busy.
yes, he manage busy now. And Styler G.
Oh, Styler G.
Yeah, he used to manage Styler G too, yeah.
So the first Black China CD
Alright.
what me know,
Suppose me tell you say, it was Dupes and him, you know.
it was Dupes and Flores.
Yeah. He was the black in the Chinese.
Right.
And then I just come along.
Oh. Oh.
And you know what, girl, everywhere me go, I see somebody who will get more than me, I get them out. So,
Yeah, so the first CD was Black China one,
Right.
Enter the Dragon.
right.
And question now. So with the remix, what was it that Bobby Chin was doing with the remix?
You want to hear the honest God truth?
Honest truth.
Black China was always a coalition.
Right?
Dupes and Willie, before Willie, Dupes is one of the most talented persons I've ever met when it comes to, orchestrating, using the computer. Dupes was like a genius when it comes to those things. But being a genius technically don't mean you have the ideas.
Right.
Me have the ideas, but I have to tell them to put it together. So that's where the combination.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Fair enough. Get that.
So, what heap of them remix them my ideas.
Oh, okay.
You understand? But them just now put it together and put in their little part
Right.
and it become complete.
And those remixes.
But you know, we used to just sit down and all of us,
Right.
this year. But when it come to the skits,
Right.
that's entirely upon me. I did all of those.
Okay.
Yeah. And every skit that I've ever done is not written down.
Okay.
Ask them. We just take up the phone and call somebody and just record it. I don't know what I'm going to say.
Right.
As there's a God up in heaven. That's how I dupe them and Willie them just rate me because them say, Bobby, just talk. You know?
And those remixes became monstrous
Oh, God.
in the space.
Oh, you just ask Bounty Killer.
As a matter of fact, I don't know of a selecting duo that bust faster and bigger than how Black Chiney bust
All right.
back then.
You do the interview. I'm going to ask you a question.
Right.
Name a sound that get a bigger bust than Black Chiney.
You know the Sean space at time.
Yeah.
Can't name none.
No, I mean, come on. I don't do much interviews, you know. Neither Dupsy. You hardly see him do an interview or whatever, but anything we tell you, teach them the truth.
Right.
Anybody want to argue with me, can argue. You know, a remix was me, name, Super Dupes. All right.
Super dopes.
When Bounty Killer was Costa Rica, he might do an interview on the radio. And the radio man said, are you going to perform me? Name? Bounty said, that's a remix.
Yeah.
And he had to do it live.
Yeah.
We have the audio.
I see a clip in my brother said, I don't even know who him be to be honest with you. But he must say the first time him select us an autograph in a dance. A Bobby Chin see us an autograph in a, you know I said them sitting there before.
That's absolutely true. I've signed money. I've signed people breasts. People bring them babies up to me. You know? Touch my son.
The Black Chiney, let me tell you what the Black Chiney bus was like, if I could compare. I think the Black Chiney bus was like the Buju Banton bus. Rapid and explosive.
Yes.
You know,
That's a good
take
comparison.
long.
That's a good comparison. It wasn't a real struggle. It just happened.
How did you guys treat with that type of explosion and stardom overnight though? Because you guys were still relatively young.
Yeah man.
And you know, fame and fortune come and you know always easy to deal with. What was it like adapting and adjusting to the newfound fame and fortune, I assume?
Me and Dubs had a principle. Any money we make, we split it right down the middle.
50-50.
Yes. I remember me did owe Dubs $1 in a Cayman and the man asked me, you know, $1, you know? Bobby, you know, pay me $1. So, one thing about Dubs, him know how to handle the business side of the industry. That's why he's successful today. Me don't know about business.
Should I not learn from Dubs, Bobby, man? Like, have a good teacher right side there.
And you know, I thought he wouldn't be the one to learn.
Okay.
But he got a good manager. And the manager kept him in
line.
because the first dance me and him play at St. Lucia will make 600 US. He took his 300 and buy Pum Pum. I didn't. I come back and spend my money for my bills. Dubs never cared back in them days.
Okay. Oh, so I said, no, you never think he would be the one to.
Yeah, exactly. And I was saying, Dubs, really? Yeah, him take him 3 bills and him come back broke. The man sleep with Miss Guinness down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Jaja.
Yeah, man.
So the mixtapes kept rolling out, but then now the duo as a selecting duo started to tour now. Take
Yeah,
on the
man.
road.
You see the mixtape them? The first one, Dupes entirely did that.
Okay.
And
At the end of the Jagger.
yeah, it just start sell. And we just start make more and more and more and more and more and just you know? Can make a 2 shilling and pay some bill. You know,
Yeah,
so me and
makes
Dupes used to
sense.
buy the same clothes. We used
Yeah,
to go to
man.
Marshall and we buy the same color shirt and shoes and them thing there. That is how poor I was, you know.
Right.
So continue the way that's, you know.
Yeah, man. So I think you guys, the earliest movements with the duo was, I think you guys toured out the Eastern Caribbean.
Yeah, man.
Early out.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're absolutely right. Yes.
Which was the first island on actually go perform though?
Bahamas,
Bahamas.
St. Lucia, Cayman, Grenada, St. Kitts, all of them.
Okay.
Every single one. Trinidad.
And these were party dances or on a side clash it at this time?
No.
No, okay.
Were known
Juggling
as a
dance.
juggling zone. Yeah.
Side. When was the first time when you actually come Jamaica come play as a duo?
Fully loaded.
Fully loaded was the first time here.
Yeah.
But even before you play fully loaded, because I think when you play fully loaded 2002.
Twice we played there.
Yeah, man. But I think the first time when I actually played was 2002. But I think DJ Khaled and Dopes, they kind of developed some form of, friendship. And Khaled brought Dopes with him in 2001.
Yeah. All right. So, Dupes did a part Khaled. Big up DJ Khaled, as a matter of fact. It was fully loaded. Fort Clarence.
Fort Clarence. I think that year was Wycliffe and Mataran.
When the rain washed it out.
Right.
You know, I was standing in the crowd.
Oh, you were there?
Yeah. I was in the crowd standing.
And Dupes didn't do anything around the sound and just dip on stage with Khaled.
with Khaled.
Okay.
When the dance done, me and Dupes sit down and say, Khaled I mash up the place with our remixes. So that's where we start doing it now, where we was on the next fully loaded.
Right, 2002.
Yeah. And we mash it up.
And before 2000 before the next fully loaded now, between that fully loaded of 01 and 02, which were some of the big dances that you guys were involved in that kind of lead up to fully loaded the next year?
Everything.
Everything.
Ras. Remember Ras?
Yeah,
With
man.
Filings and Matter and all of the big show them what they did on.
That's a juggling thought. I want to start clash now.
Well, people want to clash with this, so what for defend it?
Okay.
Yeah,
What the first time when you clash as Black Chiney?
Ras.
Which part that? Go on.
Cayman. Yeah. No, Caymanas.
Caymanas.
Yeah. We just mash up Filings and jump in a one car and drive out.
Oh yeah?
And him say, yo, see the Chinese them, I run. And we just hiding at the car.
Yeah.
And drive out. Yeah, man. Which other dance? The one with Kareem. Which one that?
DJ Kareem, I'm not
Yeah.
sure where that go on. I don't know if that dance to be honest with you still.
Will they
so
kill
you
him
have to
too?
tell me.
Yeah, man, will they kill him too?
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man.
So as remix kings at the time, now when a sound clash in reputation
Yeah.
as a duo, a bill.
Yeah, man.
Because you did done have your sound clash reputation with Earthquake.
Yeah.
But as Black Chiney, it a bill. Start billing now. So
Right,
start
right.
voice up dub plays and stuff.
Right.
And that now led to Fully Loaded 2002.
Right.
So now, I have a look at thing more you clear up for me now. So
Yeah.
Fully Loaded 2002 was supposed to be Black Chiney Mataran. It boiled down to, right?
Yeah.
The word on the street, Bobby, is that you kill Tony. right?
At fully loaded?
Yes.
No, but we win fully loaded.
All right.
He couldn't play.
But so then the
Police lock it off.
police lock it up. But I'm telling you is that it is written in more than once and in more than one source
Yeah.
that fully loaded killed Mataran 2002, but Black China killed Mataran 2002, but Black China and Mataran never actually play 2002. So we can't in all me you can't kill a man who you not play.
Of course.
So, how? But me not play, Bobby, so you have to kill me.
Just say you kill him.
But basically, before Magic get to play, Uno have a dance.
Yeah.
Right. And that is fair.
Khaled was on that dance, you know.
Khaled was on the dance,
Yeah.
so okay. It just always come back down to Black China and Mataran.
Yeah.
For whatever reason, you understand?
Yeah, exactly. You're right.
So,
yeah.
but
that start the problem would be on him.
Una Magic?
Yeah, because people start calling me fully loaded and he must say, no,
Him
me.
and Mr. Fully
yeah,
loaded.
Yeah.
Oh. I think there was a clash now outside of Fully Loaded
In a Fort Lauderdale.
in Florida.
Yeah, me kill him.
Oh, so you're gonna kill Mataran that time?
Yep, dead.
And at this time it was still only you and Dopes or Willie and Walter joined the team by this time?
I think it was me and Dupes.
Yeah, and Dupes.
Yeah, but them was there though, what them does, you know.
Okay. So Mataran dead at Fort Lauderdale.
But you have to put it in context.
Context.
It was an uptown party.
It was a?
Uptown party.
Okay.
And
So it wasn't booked as a clash.
no. But him come to kill us because of fully loaded.
Right.
Yeah. And but you have to put it in context.
I appreciate the context.
Yeah. Cause the uptown girl them never really like him. Like that. Him chat too much and them say him ugly.
Yeah.
And true me are the best looking selector.
Right.
You understand?
The girl in the pie side.
Yeah.
Alright.
And a Nasheen Fire, they mix film team.
Oh, and actually, okay, cool.
Nasheen Fire, that idiot.
But also, with Maggi again now, I think there was a clash in Mandeville with Mataran.
Alright, here now. It's why I say put it in context.
Yeah.
Now we are in his environment.
Yeah.
Now we have more dubbing.
Right.
Because in a Miami, we're loaded in a Jamaica now.
Right.
But we in a his environment.
Film ground at the pan.
Yeah.
But bad sound no kill sound anyway, Bobby man.
And I say work with Mataran, you know.
And I say, Hercules.
No, it's not an easy man
For
to
your
kill.
girl that film ground, you have to
Yeah.
answer to him.
Yeah, I rate him.
Okay.
But because him rate me too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm show him them respect there, but would there be him and a voice about 200 dub?
Yeah. Yeah.
I call up Mataran name, you know. As there's a God up in heaven. I don't lie teach him.
Mm-hmm.
Me and Dupes are playing now in a Mandeville. One of the youth them we seen a Beanie Man house when him walking with Mataran. So we know everything get counteract.
Yeah, man.
Cause that is Beanie Man.
Is that a Beanie Man?
Yeah.
So
I don't like
voice
him.
dub them phone and then counter them.
Yeah, I don't hate him, I don't like him, I don't hate him, I don't like him. But him lie. No, for real. You know, when you see that you'd walk through the gate with Mataran, you know it's problem.
No problem. Kind of know everything we know have.
While we are play, the sound never play good. And while Mataran a play, it was
Which sound
good.
was it when I play?
Exclamation.
Okay.
Them did a
So
set
you
it
say
up.
sound play good for Maggi and
Yeah,
play
man.
good for
All odds are against us in that dance.
Oh.
But it's not like him kill. Him just two bucks in our face.
When you lose the dance, you're dead, man. What you mean, Bobby, man?
I'm
That's
still
a
there.
sound clash again, brother. No,
What?
man, you're the dead black.
Oh yeah, well guess what? Him win the dance.
Yeah, how we work with that. Well, me personally, so if you lose the dance,
Yeah.
I'm dead.
That's true.
You understand?
I'm glad you said that.
There's no middle ground.
Yeah,
So Magic kill you, sir.
he did, but I'm still better looking than him. Come on, I don't tell lies.
So, all right, sir.
I don't tell lies.
And you're a mad guy for work with that.
Yeah.
So the as me say now, them time there, Black Chiney is the hottest sound
Very hot.
in our world.
Yes. And when you say world, you really mean
World.
that. Yeah.
In-
Because as big as Stone Love is, and Mataran, I don't care, you can name the biggest sound in Jamaica. I go places where they'll never go.
Mm.
You understand? How much sound you know play at China?
Oh. Oh, now first song of China?
Yes.
Yard sound?
Yes.
Ah.
I mean, Stone Love got many places in there, but I've
Right.
been to places where I ask the promoter, who else come here? Them say nobody else.
Una alone?
Yeah. Imagine, yo, you grew up watching Stone Love,
Yes.
and you go somewhere and the person said Stone Love has never been there. I play at Costa Rica. We are Richie Feelings, and the promoter come to us and say, Stone Love play before you. Remember, we grew up listening to the great Stone Love, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And the man go say Stone Love go play before we. Like,
So una
early
follow-
one,
Yeah.
and we'll mash up the place.
Eh.
You see me?
Yeah, back to the 2002
Yeah.
fully loaded, you know.
Yeah.
You guys cut some dub plates.
Yeah.
Calling up Sharon Burke's name. What was the
I'm glad you say you guys. I never me alone.
No, because the sound was
But me
was,
alone
was
get all of the
Super
blame.
Dupes and Bobby Chin.
Yeah, but me get all of
then
the blame.
Willie and Walchi Fire came
So how
along.
nobody now cuss Willie?
No, well, me don't know, but when me I interview me, I talk about his sound. You understand? So Black
Nobody
China,
no cuss dupes.
and because are you the on the talker phone, are you the up front? So
Then
what you
again,
think
here comes the
that
best looking one again.
So the dub plates were cut.
Yeah.
Sharon Burke, Moana, money, and all of them something.
Yeah.
What was the thought process behind cutting? Because at the first I'm gonna play for Sharon, so Sharon for one the money.
It wasn't the first time.
2002, on a play. I first fully loaded that on a play.
Well, everybody know our reputation before you play, no true?
Right, but so make get this for historical correctness. 2002 was the first I'm gonna play for Sharon Burke.
Yeah.
Good, but so fine, reputation is fine, but we just want to make sure. So how come now? What was the idea behind those dub plates then?
We were always just different.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if you can't kill the sound, who's the next best person to kill?
Promoter.
All right then. So, it wasn't.
So it was a fun thing.
It was, but some people just take it serious.
So even in 2002, people took it serious.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I thought it was taken serious at 2007. I never know. So it was taken serious in 2002. So only
But not that serious.
But not that serious.
Yeah.
So question.
Yeah.
Who took it serious? The people around Solid or Sharon herself?
Sharon.
Sharon.
Yeah. Which you have all right to.
Yeah, but those dubs weren't being disrespectful. I don't think.
The one in 2007.
Right, the 2007, we don't reach this yet, man.
Yeah.
The 2002 dubs weren't
No, it's just
disrespectful.
Sharon Burke bring her money, like CHINEY and Donny. It's all.
So, but she took offense, you said?
She never take offense that time.
Oh, she never took offense in 2002
Yeah.
because you guys were booked again in 2007,
Yeah.
right? So, we soon come to 2007,
Yeah.
between 2002 now, and we mentioned the Mataran series of clashes, the two other clashes,
Yeah.
seeing and go, which had a big clash, the sound involved between 2002 to 2007 fully loaded.
Actually, none. We're a party sound.
Just partying.
Yeah. The Dream Weekend, them, the ATI. Well, it was ATI back then.
Right.
We were the gods of those parties, you know. None really.
None. In 2007 now, you guys went back to fully loaded, right?
Yeah.
And cut some more Sharon Burke dub plate. But you also up the ante a little bit because you wore a shirt that said I F Sharon Burke.
Yeah.
Why?
You sure about that?
Yeah, man.
You sure it was me?
Are you, man?
Oh.
Zane? Why the shirt at first?
Did it get a forward?
It did.
Okay.
So that was the idea behind
Yes.
that. The dub plates now, because they would have worked in 2002. So was it the same? Oh, it worked already, so we're going to do it again.
Right.
Okay. But it never got down so well this time.
No. It got on good.
With the crowd. But not
Crowd,
with the
yeah.
promoter
Yeah.
and the team.
And you know, I don't have nothing against Sharon Burke.
What Sharon Burke have something against you?
Up to this day, maybe I don't know. I don't talk to her.
Or you guys are not on speaking terms?
But I don't. Me personally,
Yeah.
learn how to move on,
Mm-hmm.
and I think she move on.
You think she move on?
I think she move on.
Alright, so question.
I've apologized to her many times.
In person?
Not in person, but I would if she asked me to.
Okay.
But
So
I'm pretty sure she heard my apologies.
Okay.
You know what I mean? She's a very resourceful person. You know what I mean? She know the business.
Right. She does.
Yeah, and you have to give her that credit.
Mm-hmm.
But I look at entertainment as
Entertainment.
you're doing what the people want.
Okay.
And if Sharon Burke did turn fully loaded into Bobby Chin versus Sharon Burke, she couldn't stop counting money. Think about it.
That makes sense. But Sharon Burke on her son.
Like the next year now, no, but she get her artist them, and me
voice
get
of
my
Ducky.
sound them, our clash.
Okay.
That would have
That
been
couldn't
so.
work. That couldn't
Oh,
work,
man.
Bobby. True. That couldn't work.
She should have just called me and we sit down and talk about
But
it.
why
man.
you never pitch the idea?
Because it got out of hand.
True.
It got out of
But,
hand.
so question now. The set was cut short.
Yeah.
Zine and the crowd did kind of get rowdy. I think a Mataran kind of second the crowd that year there.
Him never second. Him get a buckle in him chest.
Really?
Yeah, man. Him throw a buckle and lick him.
Eh.
Yeah, but him are the only one who could have really go out there though
Right.
and do that. Jabba tried to do it, but you know.
Yeah, magic.
Yeah, only Mataran could have done that.
yeah.
That was his place.
So you guys were banned from Fully Loaded after that.
Yeah, man.
Thing.
Yeah, man. She threw away out the same night and I don't kind of thing.
Yeah, and you
But
said
them time that whole heap of people me I work with, you know, teaching.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I work with the whole of Western Kingston, so nobody can, you know.
Yeah. So do you ever look back? Well, you say you have apologized, but do you ever reflect and the lead up to that and say, you know, it couldn't work that way the way you said with Sharon taking it in strides and voicing some dub plates and stuff, but it never worked that way. Do you ever look back and say you probably crossed the line?
Cause what?
Cross the line.
I never cross it. Run past it. Pass the line? Absolutely.
Okay. You regret it?
Regretting doing it?
Yeah.
Maybe. Let me tell you why.
Yeah.
Maybe I regret it 20%.
20%.
And why? Sharon Burke is a female.
Okay.
And I've learned over the years to respect women. And sometimes teach them. You can get forward easily, you know. But some of them you just don't take.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying?
Definitely, man.
Yeah.
100%.
She's a mother. She's a woman. I have a mother. Sisters. You understand what I'm saying? So teach them what I'm trying to say is I have 4 daughters. Kenya, Kyla, Kimoy, Chelsea. And if somebody did that to one of my daughters, I would be upset.
Yeah.
So yeah, I do regret it.
Yeah. Question, was there any fallout for Black China in terms of being blacklisted and some promoters don't want to book you or some artists don't really want to work voice dubs and stuff?
They tried to do it, but it didn't work. We're too big to be
Okay.
blacklisted.
Yeah. And you know, we have heard conversations before that you guys were receiving death threats as well,
Oh yeah, man.
stemming from that
Yeah, man.
situation.
Yeah.
True story?
True story. But I got out of it because then again, I'm the best looking one in the DJ world. So them never wanted the best looking one, nothing. Death threats don't mean nothing, you know.
Eh?
You know what I mean? No. You know what I mean? Nothing to me back in them days. Like I made it well protected.
Oh, okay.
You see me? So, yeah.
The Black Chiney collective started doing production as well.
Yes. Yes.
And I think, I don't know if rhythms were produced before, but I know the first release rhythm that took on, that was well received was Copa.
Yeah.
Read the production side of the thing. What was your involvement in that?
Well, I was a bad selector, you know. And we used to run all of the dance to them. in Miami. Popeye Caution, Pizzle. All of them. Everybody just, when them not start dance, till Bobby Chin come and dance. So I had this thing in my head, we go doom, 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 doom. Doom. Actually, I get it from filings, you know. Cause, you know, back in them days, when John I prepared filings.
Right.
Yeah. And, you know, Dupes and his genius.
Right.
Him just build the rhythm and put in the clap them. Clap, 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 clap. Doom, 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 doom. And the rhythm just shot and I just come on Jamaica and voice.
So you were the one who voiced the artists?
Yeah.
All the songs?
Almost every single one of them. I'm me, right, Father Elephant. Me, right that. Elephant Man, I give me no credit. I don't like him. I don't hate him. I don't like him.
Every time you say that, I will laugh.
Yeah, but
You wrote, but I think Ellie have two songs on Copa.
yeah, and I wrote that one too.
Oh,
Yeah.
so you wrote both the Elephant
Yeah, I
songs.
can tell you what them sang the voice. Them voice right now at Crystar Hotel downtown.
Oh,
Yeah, Elephant used to be a big part of Black China back in those days. With the remixes.
yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Elephant is. He was our god.
Oh,
You know what I mean? And I always give credit where credit is due. Elephant is just great. One of the greatest performers ever.
no doubt, no
Energy
doubt.
wise.
Energy God, man.
Yeah, man. And I know him personally. I remember when him just built him house up on the hill. As me and Dupes walk in, the man said, "Hey, look how the money buy."
Oh, yeah.
And me and Dupes just near out him. Him have only put food up there, cook. We just eat out everything. And him have about 1,300 dog up there. You know?
Yeah, about 1,400, you know.
Yeah. But a great youth still.
You wrote any other songs on the rhythm?
No.
No, okay. And whilst we're on that, have you written for anybody else in the business?
I can't recall. Maybe. Back in those days, you know, we used to sit in a room. I remember this though. I called Busy. And whether they would busy, I would say, "Yo, put in a line here, you know? Or do this or
Right.
my father did New Name. Fiend Farmer,
You was
Mr.
talking about
Farmer.
Drumline.
Yeah, Cartel. When I was doing Copa,
Yeah. 4 seasons,
Yeah.
Cartel up on Copa.
him come in the room with a little exercise book and a pen. And him start to write. And I say, "Cartel, put it in the man." Say, "Bobby, shut up, man. You're a DJ. You don't know if you write song."
Yeah.
So I'm not bother write no
You
more
don't
after
bother
that.
write,
Yeah.
okay.
Even though I was still the best looking selector at the time, dog. Well, I tell you, hey, if me the ugly, me dead, you know.
Yeah.
Cha.
So Copa, big rhythm.
Big
Big
rhythm.
rhythm.
Big.
Big rhythm.
Yeah, man. I launch out Black Chiney in a production, man.
Big rhythm. And so you voice the song, Dupes mix and master the songs?
He had a great,
somebody else mix
I
and
voice
master?
him and thing, but Dupes, what a guy named Sean Wedderburn
Okay.
that Dupes used to use.
Yeah.
Yeah, and yeah, him do them.
Yeah, I think another rhythm that you guys released, so I think the higher octane rhythm, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
And the other rhythm now where is synonymous with Black China is a drumline rhythm.
There's one with the Collie Buds too.
Which rhythm that?
Blind to You.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I never see that in our research still, so I'm never sure about that.
Catch You.
Yeah, you know I think go with
Yeah.
we can be honest about it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
drumline now, them time the friction, the feud between Mavada and Cartel.
Yeah, you want the history of that?
Very much so.
I went up on the gully bank and me, played the rhythm and Mavada vibes it, and in a 2 second the man said, "Bobby, come." So he wanted to go back to our hotel to voice it. And them time them I drive a blue X5. And I not like Mavada drive, you know. And them I look all over. I say, "What am here, Mavada?" Boy, you know it go my cartel him matter about, you know.
Right.
You know, so
Must
some
be
know say
alert.
some war thing was going. Anyway,
Oh.
him go 200 man in the room. About 200 man in the room is about 600 gun in there too. And them are him voice and we take it, and then Cartel hear it. Cartel hear, And Dup's manager sent the rhythm to
So
Cartel.
question, was the song released before Cartel voice? Or Cartel ears of the song
Him
voice?
here said the song voice.
Okay.
Yeah. And him do about 10 on it.
Counteraction?
Yeah, we choose one. We choose.
Mafrado.
Yeah. The response was quick.
None of them can call Mr. Palmer informer. Send him to the, yeah?
Yeah.
Time there if you would have had them, brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
So I never released the rest of the song name?
We did.
Oh, okay.
But it's because when you have a rhythm with 2 man war upon the rhythm, it done, you know. Them no want to play
I
the
don't
rest of
think
them.
so still, because
You know that-
no, but the rave, Cartel and Mavades and the rave a big rhythm.
Yeah, but
After that, all of them, well, you and I business, you know, so probably I say you look on it, but I don't think so still.
there was other good songs on Drumline.
Because even with Capleton and Beanie, when them voice pan Suku then rhythm, I will have a big song on the rhythm.
I think what I should have did says the highlight of the rhythm is to play them 2 songs then.
Okay, but probably them 2 songs that them bring other songs, Bobby, I don't know.
Yeah, well, yeah, it's true. TOK, we did have on it. Assassin, Busy, everybody.
Yeah, and Copa, before we even go any further,
Yeah.
so that's aside from Ellie and Cartel, there was Capleton, Nina Sky, and Sham, Sean Paul, and what other people?
Yeah, you know, the Capleton was actually a dub plate.
It was.
Yeah.
For Black Chiney?
No, I saw him Jack Creation.
Big Sound.
Yeah.
What beer?
Yeah, and we just get it authorized
Oh.
through VP.
Oh, cool, now, man.
Yeah, it's a dub.
Then me never know that.
Yeah, is it well? History.
See, I learned that.
Yeah, that's
Bobby
what I
Chin
teach them.
Teach them.
Alright.
Oh, cool. That's cool, brother.
Yeah.
Apart from them 4 rhythms that we mentioned,
Yeah.
Zane, on produce any other more rhythms?
Mostly singles.
No, it's singles. Okay. Any successful singles?
Bruno Mars. Show It. John Legend Bojo.
And question now, so let me clear. Is this a super dope thing or is it a Black Chinese thing?
Well, the label is Black Chiney.
So, and good point. So,
Yeah.
what's a good question, I know.
Yeah.
So, is it a situation where it being on the label, it means Bobby Chin benefits from those projects as well?
I benefit from Black Chiney in every way.
Okay, awesome.
You understand?
Nice.
It's just that Willie Chin. You ever heard a song called Residuals
Residuals.
by Chris Brown?
Not sure, no.
Alright.
Maybe.
I have to play that for you.
Yeah.
Because it's like you have a woman. You build her up.
Right.
Send her to go school. Right?
Mm-hmm.
She get her education. Then she find her next man. And then all your residuals start going to him. Because him a benefit now, not true?
Right.
Alright. Say it. Enough?
Right. So question now. Because I kind of sense a little vibe from early out and know you said that. See?
Yeah.
You know, I think it was about 2003 when Willie Chin and Walchi Fire became a part of the team.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I hired Walchi.
You hired Walchi.
Yeah, me.
How so?
We go to a party and hear him talk on the mic. I said, Dupes, I buried the body. And Dupes said,
In America?
yeah. Dupes
Okay.
said, no, man, he might try to sound like you.
Oh.
But I saw.
Uh-huh.
And then we just hired him and Walchi became so good. Unbelievably good. Until Major Lazer come one time at a party in Miami and saw him talking for us. And said, yo, Dupes, I have to borrow him. And him borrow him, I never return him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How are things with you and Willie?
I just spoke to him.
Oh, you just spoke to him?
Yeah. I have taught Willie so many things. No lie.
Yeah.
We go through blood, sweat, tears. Wodipa, tears. Dup's mother is like my mother.
Okay.
And that's how it is up to this day. Willie's mother is like my auntie. And that's how it is up to this day. Now, Black China has transitioned through a lot of problems.
Right.
And some of it is my fault. By me moving.
Yeah, because we're going to talk about that.
Yeah,
So we're going
to
to tying
Belize.
that down the road.
So I guess Willie kind of felt like a little abandonment.
Oh, okay. Oh, so that is where that came from?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
But it's funny because I've never ever publicly gone and said anything bad about them. Even though there is stuff to say, but I refuse to do it because I don't believe in things like that. And nobody owes me anything. You understand?
Right.
So if they make $1 million and me not really make nothing, then I dem have to go face God.
But then, so the thing never set up where if the money is made under the Black Chiney umbrella, there's supposed to be some form of automation your part so you get your
That's
share?
the way it was. You know what I mean? But
So who changed that?
well, Doopsy kind of leave everything and I deal with the production and me and Willie run the sound.
Oh, okay.
So we do a whole heap of touring. And we had a manager who used to deal with all of the money part of things, and I was basically in charge of saying this goes here, that go here, and help this one if you need help, or you understand? And I think where the communication breakdown now is when everybody start get too rich.
Oh.
You see me? Or start make so much money. No, I did get in a little problem
Yeah.
where I had to, you know?
Because you were arrested at one point in time in Miami, in Florida.
Yeah. I don't feel like them did help me enough.
Oh.
You
Okay.
understand? And that's the honest to God truth. You see me? But them still.
But did they think they needed the help? And when you say help, you're referring financial help or just moral support help?
Moral support.
Okay. Okay.
You know what I mean?
Get what you say.
It's hard. It's many nights I sit down and cry.
Mm.
You know what I mean? I'm say, but to be honest with you, Black Chiney is not just me alone, you know.
Mm-hmm.
It's all of us. And I would be really ungrateful to say it's me who do everything.
Right.
Up to this day, we can still call each other. And there's that bond.
Which is good.
We're still brothers. Because in every family, there's fights, right?
Disagreements, man, and conflicts, yeah. True.
And you know the best looking one always get the end of the stick. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
But I would never say anything bad about Dupes. That's my brother. That's my brother. Willie now, I grow him. And him always look out for me. I mean, at one point I was living at Willie house, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. With his mom and thing, you know.
That's in Jamaica here?
No, in Miami.
Overseas.
Yeah, because I remember I did set up my thing now in a different country. So when I come, I'm Miami now. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I could talk about that part of the thing. So you had some issues with the law. See?
Yeah.
You were arrested, not sure for how long. But the matter was in front of the courts for a while.
Yeah. You look it up?
Yeah, man. So it was related to some store business and...
Right. TJ Maxx.
Oh, that was the name of it?
Yeah.
So what go on there, sir?
All right. You know, let me tell you something. You see idleness. When you become a popular DJ or you become so famous, you don't do nothing in the day but drive around and drive pretty cars and go shop. So I used to go to TJ Maxx and buy things, right? And I met a guy in there, the cashier.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, "You're Bobby Chin?" I said, "Yeah." Just help me out with a couple passes to the party, them and me give some discount. Now, while he was giving me discount, he was doing other things.
Oh, okay.
People are coming in and I take things and,
Yes, yes, yes.
and him let them out. His family and stuff. So, the police now lock him up. When them look back on the tape,
Mm-hmm.
them see me talking to him.
Oh, okay.
And what did I have on? A t-shirt that said Black Chiney. So the detectives them say him Google it and find me. And that's where that started. Anyway, I get locked up, get bail, I go court, throw it out, done.
How long did the matter last for, though?
Around
Through the
2 years.
Okay, okay.
2 years, every minute, continuance. And then the judge say, yeah, either going to charge him or we'll throw it out. And just... So when people tell me my internet, I'm a thief, car, and then nothing goes.
Eventually, the matter was thrown out, right? But
Yeah.
so question now, though.
Yeah.
How did this affect you on a professional level during the duration of the case?
Oh, it was horrible. Going to court and then not being able to travel to work. So the judge actually grant me travel permits everywhere I go.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah. So every time I go like a different country, as I check in the hotel, I have to tell them the hotel number and everything. I'm room. Send it to.
Very inconvenient.
Yeah, very. Every time I come through immigration, I have to go in the back room.
Yeah.
What is going on with your case? It was horrible.
Can imagine.
Yeah, and the moment the case got thrown out, I go through immigration and welcome home. No problem, you know what I mean?
And at this time, so once the case was going on, I think you were now building a foundation in Belize.
Yeah, man.
Why Belize?
I always loved that country.
Okay.
The people always give me open arms. I really love that country a lot. So I said, let me go down there, and I was thinking about life after music.
Right, okay.
Yeah, some open restaurant down there and, start doing my thing, and I was doing pretty good, and then, COVID came in.
Okay.
Yeah. So I had to sell all of that.
Well, before we even pick up the Belize part of the thing.
Yeah. I know what you want to talk about.
So Black China.
You want to talk about dynamic?
Yeah, we're not get around to that
Oh.
yet. See? You were accused of leaving the son to die at some stage.
That's the impression I got. Abandonment. Not so much from Dupsy, because me and Dupsy is just Willie.
Right.
And it made me feel bad because it's me actually. Me and Willie do road most of the time, everywhere. You see what I'm saying? And how I did look on it, THM, is if I'm driving a GLE,
Yeah.
and can't drive it no more and I give it to you, shouldn't you be happy? Wouldn't you take that GLE and take it to the highest level?
Probably change your rims, man.
Yeah.
Service it and then sitting there.
So yes, part of it abandonment, but you get something to run it, man. You see what I'm saying, dog?
I understand. I'm going to wrap up the Black China part of the journey first. So the Jamaica versus Bahamas clash.
Yeah.
It was just Black China for Jamaica?
Yeah.
Which was the Bahamas song?
Dion the Butcher.
Okay, how that go?
Kill him.
Kill
Dead.
him. There was a clash now, knockout.
Yeah. Poison Dart.
It was Poison Dart,
Innocent.
Juicy Mental,
Yeah.
Innocent, and Black Cat.
Yeah.
How that go?
Kill him. Win the trophy.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Kill Panther again?
Yeah, man. No, Panther wasn't there. I'm never
Panther
sure.
wasn't there?
No, I'm never sure.
So who played Cat?
They never come.
Oh, they never come. Okay. So it was Juicy Mental, Innocent, and Kirky there play person, huh?
Yeah, Kirkisy and Tarantula.
Tarantula. Okay.
Kill them
Cool,
dead.
huh?
Two of them dead. Ugly
They're
one
dead?
and the Rasta one dead, yeah.
Ugly one of the rest of it. In 2015, War in the East, I think that was versus Jugglers. I think that was in Germany.
Get killed.
Jugglers kill you.
Yeah. But there's a twist to it.
Other than you're dead. I tell you, Bobby, when you come to clash, for me, it's either you win or you're dead. If you're dead, you're dead.
Alright, let me tell you what.
Tell me still.
Black China was so busy. Dubs wasn't really around at these times now.
Oh, okay.
It was just me and Willie. We only had time to plan 2 rounds. The first and the second. Which 2 rounds we win?
First and second.
Yeah.
But what you mean you only get time to plan them 2 rounds there, Bobby, and your ear boy clash? I don't like your ear clash tonight and then clash I keep tomorrow.
Alright. It goes back to abandonment.
Okay.
I feel like them abandon me because them never want to take the clash.
Oh.
And them actually tell me.
Oh, so you made a decision to take the clash?
Yeah.
Okay.
But them never want to take it.
So who want you play the sound?
Me and Willie.
Yeah, Willie.
But him never really want to clash.
Okay.
You understand? So it work out that way there.
Okay.
Hey, teacher, I don't really lose clash, you know. If I lose, there's a reason why I lose.
Every clash.
No, people don't understand this. If me did have the support what me did need, forget.
Yeah, Juggler's dead.
Dead.
Okay.
But me just say, we have enough dubs. We had way more dubs than them.
Right.
I'm say, my might can work my way through and kill them. But if your team not around you, you understand?
Yeah, man, that's an answer.
Yeah, but so I got still.
Yeah, so I go on and ring the alarm. 2016, Dynamic.
Alright, that no. Alright, you remember now, from jugglers thing, you know,
Right.
my health are deteriorating. And nobody no know, you know.
Including you or you knew?
No, me no.
Okay.
But me just deal with it by my own. You say, Willie and Dupes them no.
Okay.
You see me? But certain things and certain energy I'm used to, I couldn't do it.
Yeah, understandable.
No. With Dynamic now, it's the same thing. Like, you see, just like how we take our health for granted, I start take clash for granted.
Okay.
Doing it for the money alone now. Because you get good money for clashing.
Right.
So I just do it for the money, right? And I think I could have did win that clash there just by me being who I am. Now, Willie never come. We're talking about abandonment again. Because they never agree to these things. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So I carry Roger with me from Reading Force. And him not really know the dub them like that. So I can't blame him. No. But just go off a momentum saying, me in a bellies, them people are not going to make me lose.
Yeah.
But buy whistle, horn, hire bus. But I was under extreme pressure too. Because the same Roger will come down, me'd have a rent-a car and him crash it. So I had to fix that. SUV, yeah. And same time, me hear one of my daughter them have a brain tumor. So it's a whole heap of things, you know.
Right, right.
So, and then no, the thing that hurt me the most is I stand up and watch the people and I buy the horn and whistle for a blow it for Dynamic. So you see the bus what carry them come?
Yeah.
I tell the driver leave them, you know.
Yeah.
I don't know what them reach home, you know. It's bellies, they don't know about clash back in the day. So them just say if people are jump up, them are gonna blow horn and
right.
Yeah, so anyways, it reached to like just before I get a tune, dub for the bar.
Tune for tune.
So I said, Bobby, you still have a little life in the Duracell, you know. Here where you do. Just leave the dance and tell them say you're sick. So I can say, Dynamic kill Roger then, not me. So I leave, you know, I cry when I leave to, you know, I bawl. You know, you have to put on the little acting, you know.
Yeah.
So them carry me go to the emergency room, now me in the bed and I'm sit down and I think I say, teach him. That man that give me the beat in my life. Out of every clash I lose, that one that hurt the most.
It hurt you?
Yeah, because he was a nobody at that time. And him really talented too, you know.
Him that man.
Yeah, him bad. Well, you know, see that now.
Yeah. He has grown significantly over the years. As you would with
Really
practice and
yeah. So I sit down in the hospital bed and I tell him I ball. So the people them come and say, you want pain medicine? I say yes, and I know pain me available. And would you believe? Well, I don't and guess who walk in the hospital with the promoter?
Selector?
Not Dynamic.
Yeah.
Come ask me if me alright.
A good youth, man.
Nah, man, I just turn my back to him, man.
You better check for the victims, sir.
Yo, I just turn my back to him and then go, I pack up my little bags and gone out, you know.
Yeah.
The nurse I say, you don't want to sleep? I say, nah, man, I'm going to my yard. I never sick. And I tell him, I look back on that and I say, this sound business, no matter how great you are, hold your lane. Meaning, I was a clash selector on Earthquake, but Black Chiney wasn't a clash
That's
sound.
all.
So for me to take Black Chiney in that world
Yeah.
was hard.
Yeah, but you know, make Duppy still.
Yeah,
Bobby.
we'll make Duppy, yes, but I'm saying, learn something about clash. You're going to win.
You're going to lose.
You're going to lose.
Best believe that.
Now, why is it out of everybody what me kill, people focus on one kill what me get?
Because last time you're dead, man. Then we only can keep
No, that just show you say, you know what I was? Teach him, I was the Messi of music. So everybody just want to see you dead.
So it's as good as the last performance, you know.
Yeah.
And when you have a big sound name and you're dead, people are going to talk about it, Bobby. I just nature. So when you talk about the whole, I kill them when you kill people, so we are going to talk about when you're dead too, Bobby. So it's thing go.
Yeah, but we still
Your clash since the clash there?
Who?
Your clash since that clash?
Since Dynamic?
Yeah.
Not really.
No, because you held to the...
We do some like a small clash in a Belize with the local sound. You know,
okay.
Them that walk over, you know. And yeah, my health start go down. But I have a clash coming up July 31st.
Against who?
Two other blind DJ.
Oh, yeah?
It's the first ever this going on. Them bad still, you know, but...
Yeah.
Yeah. That can be interesting.
Yeah, should be.
Yeah.
Which part?
Jamaica
Society for the Blind?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I always lose graciously, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And most people don't realize, you know, it's a sport.
It is.
Look at the greats. Black Cat never win all them dancing.
Never.
But him take it graciously.
Yes.
Matarano win all them dancing. Firelings no win all them dancing.
Everybody dead, man.
Everybody get a little kill.
It's just that to be remembered as great, you have to win more than you lose, you know?
Like base they say, them depend on the better ratio. More win
than loss.
Than loss.
Definitely.
You know, but my joy wasn't really clashing.
Right.
It's juggling.
Juggling.
Yeah. And to say there's a sound that can juggle better than Black Chiney, we're up there in the top 5. I don't care what nobody wants to say.
And as I said that, give me a top 5.
Juggling sound?
Yeah.
Renaissance? Enough people don't know this, you know. Maggi.
Maggi is a juggler?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stone Love. For sure. Copper Shot.
Okay.
Without a doubt. Code Red. How much that?
A 5, that.
Chromatic.
Yeah.
And I say, there's more.
Yeah, man, there is.
Yeah.
But I get it.
And there's no sequence there, really.
Let's talk about now, because you have mentioned before that in about 2015, 2016, there you started to have problems with your vision.
Yeah.
As a result of being diabetic.
It's caused from diabetic retinopathy or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Neuropathy.
When you really, realize that something was wrong, though?
Driving, not being able to see the road. looking at things like your text and your laptop. I mean, I could see, but I used to use reading glasses.
Okay.
Because I've never worn prescription glasses.
Right.
I used to be so good. I don't know what happened, but I was in Miami one day and I rubbed this eye. And I was like, I can't see nothing on the left. And that's when everything went downhill. So then I went to the eye doctor and then everything just went like shh. I did surgeries on this one, all failed. Surgeries on this one, nothing. The last doctor I go to, she said, maintain your health and try to keep your eyes healthy, and that's it.
That's it.
When you have detached retinas, there's nothing. There's no retina
be done.
transplant. There's nothing that can be done. Yeah.
What was it like coming to the realization though that you were losing your sight completely?
It was terrifying. Many nights you have to sit there and think, what is this going to be the rest of my life? You know what I mean? Like, am I going to have to live like this for the rest of my life? Many nights I'm crying out to each other and say, yo, I want to be able to just even walk out to the gate without a cane. You know what I mean? I just want to see my kids. And the longer you become blind, you start to forget faces. You know what I mean? It's many nights I cry, like unbelievable. Why, you ask this question, why me? And the spiritual part come in, because when I met other blind people, I realized it's not me alone in this dark room. But being blind, teach them the most hurtful part about being blind is and this is the honest to God truth. I feel like I'm in a coffin. It's shut, but I'm still alive. And this is how you feel when 2 million people around you when you can see and you're famous. And then because you have no value to them now, everybody gone. That's why I'm still grateful for Dupes and Willie them, and Walshy them. You understand?
Yeah.
It's not even about money, it's about just somebody for talk to. You saw me, I said, dog.
Listening ear.
Yeah. And then me meeting other blind people now, it kind of built me up a little bit. You know what I mean? And I'm still in that process.
Acceptance.
Yeah, acceptance. Yeah, I've accepted it now.
Okay.
And accepting is one thing. Being lonely is the next. Because when you're by yourself is when depression kick in.
Yeah.
You see me? And I'm going to tell you this, depression is real.
Because I read where it said you were suicidal at times.
Of course. Of course. There was a little guy that used to stay with me here. Him named Shane. Just to help me. Send a text or,
Right.
And I used to say, Shane, just carry me go to the road and push me in front of a big bus on the main road. And he must say, no, I'm not do it. I'm not do it. But I came close. And then my sister, she's a tower of strength.
Okay.
And whenever you're in these type of situations, teach them, always try to get a strong family member who will be there for you. You know what I mean? Because well, I mean, I tell you, hey, you just imagine. Close your two eyes, teach him. Close both of your eyes.
Yeah, man.
What you seeing?
Nothing.
Could you operate? Could you drive home?
No.
Could you operate your camera where you love so much?
Unfortunately not.
Would you be able to see good looking Bobby Chin?
No.
So it comes to this now. If God put me here, Him have Him reason. But I do believe in a teaching. I honestly believe that He's going to give me back my eyesight.
I would have loved that, bro.
Yeah. I'm want to big up everybody who come to my rescue when I go down. Ramesh, the whole Black Chiney, Russian them, Justus, Bada General, that Bada never leave me no time at all. You know? Was, you know how his name was?
Yeah, but definitely, man.
Marcia Griffiths, Tanya Stevens. Oh my God. You know your true friends when you're down. You see me? Bojo, stand by me to a great.
Oh, cool, no? Cool, no?
Yeah, man, Bojo, good artist, man. I mean, I don't really talk to Cartel and Killer them as much as I want to. But me and Cartel had such a good relationship. And if I don't see Cartel for the next 10 years, when him see me again, I know him go hug me. You see me?
Yeah, man, I know I settings, man.
Because I have a word bad for say about Cartel, you know? Like how I have to say about Twitch. But Cartel now, him, regardless of what people want to say, he's a very kind person.
Cool.
You see me? Killer, everybody know Killer kind. Him just cuss you when him give you anything. You understand? Every sound, Delano, you know, the whole of them teach him, man.
Yeah.
We're one family, you know.
Cool.
Isn't it?
Yeah, during the reading, you know, preparing for the interview, it said one of the things that gave you, you know what I mean, some semblance of courage was when you started going around Jamaica Society for the Blind.
Yeah. Meeting other blind people was just medicine for me. I remember coming home from GSB one day when I just heard that. I'm a cry too.
Yeah.
I was like, my God, what world am I in now? But I learned so much. You know, I did a computer course there.
Awesome.
Yeah, so I can use my computer without seeing the screen. You know, great people there. Damon Rose, Mr. McLean, Mrs. Brathwaite, Mr. Harris, and I became so popular amongst the blind that I'm now a member of the GSB board.
Oh, awesome, man.
Yeah. And I have my own little blind group.
Yeah.
Vision Friends.
What is it called?
Vision Friends.
Vision Friends,
Yeah.
okay.
Great people again. You know, because no, teach them how much people hire blind people.
Not many.
So how do we survive?
Yeah.
How do we eat? How, you know, is you know, what for beg? What for ask? And I'm not a beggar.
Right.
You know what I mean? So we want to work. So what I did, I created my own radio station.
Blind Spot Media.
Blind Spot Radio.
Blind Spot Radio.
With the intentions of hire some of them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I initially wanted to open a call center, but it's giving me some rigmarole.
Oh, okay.
And if me could hire 200 blind people to work at a call center, I'm good. And don't think it not gonna happen, you know.
I believe you, man.
Yeah, man, don't think it not gonna happen, man. But I appreciate everybody that stand by me and believe in me.
Yeah. How is the radio station going?
It's going good. It's internet radio right now. And thing. And still a work in progress.
Okay.
But with the help of Patrick Lafayette and a couple of the blind radio personalities and Johnny Cool.
Right.
And just everybody just helped me here, man.
I'm glad to hear that.
JC Lodge. Yeah. All of them give me drops. Bojo. All of them. I have a program called Blind Dads.
Blind Dads.
Yeah. It's not me alone. It's a bunch of blind dads and we just talk about kids, our kids.
Right.
I run out of blind dad charity. No more dads out there. Teach them.
Them out there, man, and just probably not, but
Come like once you get blind, you stop get
Youths.
Front, yeah.
Yeah, but then. Yeah.
Come here, tell you the truth, you know.
Yeah.
The front thing gets scarce. Yeah, man, I have to tell her. When I meet a blind girl, I have to lie to her so I look good, you know.
Yeah, tell her they look good.
Yeah, even though I'm the best looking one, but yeah. And she believe.
She believe you. Do you still accept playing gigs?
Yes, I do, but I don't do it often.
Oh, okay.
I would go gin and juice, you know, play at Jangas and, you know.
Yeah. So who mix for you? You mix for yourself?
No, man, me have people I mix and I just talk.
And you talk.
But I
Okay.
can mix for myself, I just
Yeah.
don't take on that challenge.
Okay. But you will take those gigs if they present themselves.
But when I do play at Jamaica Society, I play by myself.
Okay. But in terms of paying gigs outside Jamaica Society for the Blind, you will take those. You will take those.
Yeah, man.
So for the people who want to get in touch with you for that, how they find you?
You can call me if you're in Miami. You can call me at 305-431-4874. If you want a Jamaica
Yeah,
number,
man, definitely.
876-357-7228. WhatsApp only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a WhatsApp all with you.
Yeah.
Free Black Chiney and you do. When last you guys come together as the whole team for do something?
March 28th.
Okay, what was that?
It was a party in Miami.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we were playing vinyl records.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
It was me, Willie, and Dupes that was there in Walchi.
Quality. Okay,
Yeah,
nice vibe that, man.
Yeah, man.
Cool, man. So, on still do
It
things
was packed. Everybody was there.
officially, or somebody have to reach out and say them want the group and it happened?
I mean, things are put together back now.
Awesome.
Yeah, Dupes are play again now, you know.
Okay, cool, man.
Yeah. So, Willie I play. As you know, him I play
Right.
tomorrow and thing. And I will be there too. So, we there same way, man.
Cool.
We just a whole lane.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And psychologically, you're in a much better place now.
Right now, yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad for that.
Yeah.
I'm glad for that. Glad for
Just
that.
a lot of health issues, you know?
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
Question, reproduction. Did you personally produce a song for Rihanna?
Yeah, I did.
A release song?
You don't release it.
You know,
She and
release
Bojo.
it? She and Bojo?
Yeah. Me, Russian, and Stephen McGregor built him.
Oh.
Well, them, but the Bojo was mine.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So is that a situation not to pry in your business?
Yeah.
So since hasn't been released, it's something that you have been paid for already?
Not really.
Not really.
No. Can't not release.
Right, okay.
You get an advance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, understood. Your producer Morris, yeah?
I have the rhythm right now and she just won't voice it.
Oh, she no voice, yeah.
Call her for me now, please. I can't get through there.
guitar, we don't guitar.
Let's go up to our house after this.
Yeah. All right, sir. Zane, and we know you did work with Bojo, as
Yeah,
you
man.
said, and thing.
Yeah, man.
No, also in the literature.
Which I hope when I listen to the latest Black Chiney production, Bojo Butterflies.
Bojo Butterflies.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
I know that, well, in the literature out there, it
Dupes
says
produced
that
it.
you have, say again?
No, Dupes
Dupes
produced
produced
it.
it.
Yeah.
Oh, Butterfly.
Yeah.
Okay. You have been to Japan a whopping 12 times.
What if I time, man? I'll pass Japan and I forget say Japan me I go. Serious.
Yeah.
One time the plane couldn't land and it go somewhere else. I don't know where it go.
Yeah.
And the people won't accept when them say, no, you have to go back where you go.
So, to your place then, man.
Yeah, man. Everywhere in Japan.
Everywhere in Japan.
Yeah.
Side.
I have a son over there too, a stepson.
Oh, stepson. Okay.
Yeah, him name Tonzilla.
Tonzilla.
Yeah, him have my own son.
What's the name of the son?
Stars. Yars.
Yaris.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, like the vehicle.
Yeah,
Yaris.
yeah,
Okay. Okay. You also, based on the research, it says that you have accompanied Beyonce to Nigeria to mix for her.
No, I don't go so.
No?
After the Jugglers clash, we jump on a plane and I go to Nigeria, go play. For Heineken,
Oh, for Heineken?
yeah, but Beyonce was there though, in the same thing.
Oh, so you played for her?
No, I'm gonna play for her.
You don't play for her?
She can't pay
You
me.
can't pay. Okay, but understand. Oh, yeah, tell her what we see there in the street. You see what
Yeah,
what
yeah,
we
yeah.
see now? Because a lot of things written
As I
up
say, I
online,
don't tell. Yeah.
You know what thing goes, so we have to clarify these things. One of the things that we need to talk about before we wrap up is as I said before, Black Chinese breakout was like similar to Buju's, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Black China now also was a significant influence on Major Lazer. Probably
course.
Major Lazer biggest influence if we're going to be honest.
With
about
Walshy,
it.
yeah, man. Diplo is Diplo, though. He carved his own way out, but he also was inspired by our remixes.
Right.
That's what I get. Yes, yes, he was.
Definitely.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so we talk about some more sound stuff now.
Yeah.
Tell me your two favorite dub plays whilst you were playing Earthquake.
Garnet Silk,
Which Silk?
Evacuate the Premises.
Okay.
Because I actually build the rhythm for that.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that and Louis Rankin.
Oh.
Yeah. Him did have a song I say, you cook him food, you do him here, you clean the house, and the boy still this, yo. F you, F everything that you do. Yo, bad. Yeah, man, I used to love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Your two favorite pies in that dub plates.
Them say we're gone by the morning, oh, we can't come good in. Luciano. And the Sizzler. I'm from a place where there's... Yeah.
Mad. Alright, so your five biggest, in your opinion, Black China dub plate.
Barrington Leave It Shine.
Mad. Well, I am Shine was a parabellist.
Yeah, of course.
As I say, Shine, we just remember say.
I'm virgin, man.
Shine a man from that side.
Yeah,
Cool,
I'm
man.
virgin, yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, my girl is too, you know.
Can you imagine?
Yeah, I'm give only per girl.
Take you over girl.
Yeah. Even though I was the better looking.
But yeah.
All right, so where we go?
Barrington Leave It Shine.
Marcia Griffiths Berries. You wouldn't believe this. Carlton Coffee. Bad boys, what you gonna do? Pluto. You better
Pluto
run
Sherman,
when Black Chiney gonna bust.
Mad.
This one hard, because you said the best five, you know.
Yeah. You give me four.
Marcia Cutty, Fire Burning.
Cut the fire. Okay, cool, man.
Yeah.
Man.
I love Marcia, anything she give me.
I realize, man.
Yeah.
Realize.
I make Marcia all curse bad word.
Yeah.
A
But
joke.
don't play it.
I make Marcia do Killer Swing. You remember that?
Killer see, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
Realize that I see your girl, man.
I love her.
Is there a song that you wish you did get a chance to play?
Stone Love.
Stone Love.
Yeah.
Stone Love is on a play. Yeah?
Yeah, man. Stone Love. Without a doubt.
Without a doubt.
We used to like Renaissance, so we don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Stone Love it is. Standalone,
man.
yeah?
Love Stone Love, man. Big up Weepo. Anyway, in there. General that.
Well, if-
True.
yeah, definitely. We don't interview him still, but a general.
yeah, man,
Can't
big,
take that
yeah.
from him, separate and apart from the interview.
Him is a general that idiot son named Dwayne Poe.
Yeah, we don't get involved with that.
I'm a virgin, man. I can't say it.
Okay.
Definitely Stone Love. What? Next sound? That's how that one play?
Well, yeah, I mean, you say Renaissance stuff, but we work with Stone Love.
If I tell you, you're not going to believe me, you know.
Yeah, tell me.
Waggity.
Bad son.
Yeah. And because you're Chinese.
Yeah, definitely. Me figure say that Asian link there part
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. That not surprise me.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, surprise me at all. Based on the, you know what I mean? The context of it. Zane, your favorite rhythm to cut dub plates on?
That one they hard. And I say Far East. CHINEY.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First tune that we sing with the safaris.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other?
Showtime.
Showtime. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Favorite artist to cut and dub?
Bounty Killer.
Bounty. Why?
But just like him, style and
Okay, man.
aggression.
Yeah, man. Definitely. Him that.
Yeah. Cartel too.
Okay, cool. Cool.
And Beanie Man. That are my trio. And Bojo.
Bojo.
4, yeah. No, Bojo is a one rhythm artist. Punani.
Put on it.
Once you give him that, him can do any song on it.
Any song.
Yeah, and then you just mix it on what you want.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
but Bojo bad.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
See, you be telling me your favorite juggling sounds already still. But your favorite juggling selector, you pay your money for guy dance just because you hear that man they juggle.
The one with a pay for juggle.
Where you then pay for God to dance.
What man I like?
Just to see them, no man, your favorite juggling selector.
Oh, think you have to what you say about Jazzy T?
No.
What I pay for go see?
Yeah.
Willie Chin
Really?
and Super Dubs.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Apart from your son, man.
I forgive more than I give 5.
Mm-hmm.
That one would I pay for go see? Rory,
Mm-hmm.
Mataran, Firelings.
Okay.
I like Damien from Bass Odyssey.
Oh, cool. Bad selector.
Yeah. The last one no hard. Pay to go see. I'm gonna give that youth a credit because I rate him. Nobody can ever say I'm not good. Mark Chin, Kappa Shot.
Kappa shot.
Yeah.
Okay, I didn't mention Kappa shot in your juggling sound, so that
Yeah,
makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Your favorite class sound outside the songs that you have played?
Kilimanjaro.
Gyro. So would it
Chupa.
safe to say Chupa your favorite class selector then?
I rate him. And I, all right, I base people on your achievements.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's between two people. It's between Panther and Chupa.
And Chupa. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I don't know how me sit down in a big put Babbage in the night.
No, but we're not talking about your sound, Bobby.
Oh,
We're talking about your other sound them.
The greater than all of them.
Alright, sir. My apologies.
All right, let me tell you something. I'm going to ask you some questions now.
Do that though?
You name a Chinese Jamaican MC what better than me.
None.
So how me not get the credit for that?
Then.
Full time. Why you not give me no credit for that?
So they get the credit.
I true. Hey.
Yeah.
All right. So that is one.
Mm-hmm.
Name a sound that been to more countries in the world than Black Chiney.
Well, I would probably suspect you have the likes of the Kilimanjaros and the Bass Odyssey.
Never.
Travel the world.
Never. I've never seen.
Well traveled and stone love, you know, Bobby.
Then all right.
Well traveled.
You're coming close now.
Stone love.
Have you ever seen Kilimanjaro play in China?
No.
Okay.
I never see Black Chinese either me here.
So, me can put my resume beside any one of them.
Right. Me not say no, you know.
And it look good, but then
Yes.
I don't push up myself like them every day and say, oh, me do this and me do that.
Right.
And me hear man and say, oh, me have the most cartel. All right, challenge Black China then.
So you're saying Black China have the most cartel in
I
the
don't
world?
have the most. But
Yeah,
I can stand
many.
up with anybody when it come to killer.
Can stand up to Bass Odyssey killer?
No.
They don't know anybody then, that brother.
No, but we're close.
Right, fine.
Because I can play killer that them can't play.
And vice versa.
Yeah, because we were uptown songs. We don't cut the hardcore one them
Killer. Yeah,
like.
true. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair. That's fair. That's fair.
But just get a little credit where the credit you, man. Come on, man.
We don't say no. But remember I tell you say no sound, no boss. In the shop.
All right, that's two questions we give now. We give two questions.
Yeah.
Which song get the bigger bus than Black Chiney?
Which sound get bigger boss than Black China?
Yeah, from 1999 come up till now.
As far as me can remember, I can't recall none. But we get the credit a long time, you know, brother.
All right.
Can I tell you, say a Bojo boss.
At a tree, right?
Yeah.
Who have the best looking selector?
Then yeah, you have to go answer that still. I mean, I get involved in that.
All right.
Yeah, so you know where you go. We have one more question, couple more questions.
Yeah.
Later. See, from your God dance,
Yeah.
What's the best sounding sound system you ever hear string up?
Wow. I forget more than one now.
Yeah, man. No problem.
Exodus Nuclear.
Never hear that one before.
Them was amazing.
Mm.
Stone Love.
Heard that many times.
Lee's Unlimited
Oh, never hear that before.
from St. Thomas.
Yeah, I don't know where they come from.
We're going tree. Every sound of Jamaica sound good, you know.
Well,
Almost every sound of Jamaica sound good. But them three there was
Yeah.
like outstanding.
cool.
Jammies.
Okay.
Yeah, man, without a doubt, man. King Jammies, man. I try mention a country sound now, sound good. I think I should have put you Jar right night too.
Jaro. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Renaissance.
Renaissance.
Yeah. They
cool.
first had the self-powered speakers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. It's good to see the man in a good spirits, all things considered.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't even imagine what it must have been like, adapting and adjusting to losing your vision.
Well, I give you a little experience a while ago when you close your eyes.
Right. But it's good to see that, you have been able to ride out the rough storms
Yeah.
along the way so far, and you have also found people who are experiencing similar things and, feeding off their energy, I suppose, as well, and their experience and
Yeah.
thing, and all the success with the radio station. How do people then find the radio station?
It's just a link,
Just a
Blind
link.
Spot Radio, yeah.
All right, so just okay. So I'll put the
Eventually,
link-
it's going to get on an app.
Okay, sounds
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
I'll definitely put the link in the description of the interview.
Right.
Also, with the vision where you have, pun intended, read the call center. I hope that
man.
materializes, and above all things,
Yeah.
the confidence that you have in the fact that you will regain your vision. I hope
But
that,
of course.
you know what I mean,
Yeah.
materialize in the quickest time possible.
And teach them, I want to thank you for what you're doing in there, because just like how you are help build the industry, me I help build the blind. And there's a lot of people in the blind community that just dying left, right, and center around me.
Yeah.
Nobody's there to help them. A lot of them on dialysis, can't buy medication, can't do this. You understand? So when you see me reach out to people on the internet, you just answer me there, because it's help me want to try help people. You know what I mean?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, man. I do my birthday in October. It's called Bobby Fun Fest.
Bobby Fun Fest.
Yeah, and it's towards the blind, to help the blind.
So whenever you sort out everything
man.
around it, just let me get the info,
Yeah, man.
and we do our part.
Because disability has no name,
True. So true.
So today I my day. Tomorrow it might be something worse for the next man.
True that.
You know what I mean? We all have to help each other, dog. I mean, we can't help everybody.
Right.
Some are going to drop out. But
Help where you can.
yeah, man.
Father Lee, give a thanks,
Yeah, man.
and go on, you know what I mean? Continue along the journey and all the, the desires that you have and the visions that you have as well. As I said, I hope they bear fruit
That's right.
in very, very soon seasons. You know, sir?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Give a thanks, man. Heart of
teach
love,
him.
brother, man. Blessings,
Yeah,
man.
man. Just keep God
Man,
in
do
your
the
heart
thing.
every time, You're
Always, man.
You see when you touch my hand,
Yeah, man.
a magic you touch.
I love alone, man.
You might get a new camera and a new light
I
tomorrow.
want them,
Yeah.
I want them.
You understand?
Give a thanks, man.
I
Give a thanks
really
for that.
appreciate you coming
It's a
today.
joy, man. It's a joy, bro, man. It's a joy, man. The only answer could have been yes,
Yeah, man.
As we said from we talked the first time. Yeah, man. Blessings. Anybody out there where you want?
Big up every single artist. From Killer go straight down to the littlest one. Not true? Big up every sound. I want big up to my sister them, my brother them, you understand? I want big up to Shanique, who means so much to me. Yeah, man, Shanique, she's blind. And then her kidney them gone.
Oh,
So I try my best to help her, you understand?
right.
Big up Ovestra King, that's my brother.
Okay.
a blind youth again. You see me? I want to big up the entire Vision friends. They are characters in it.
You can imagine, man.
Yeah, man. Mama B,
imagine.
she's the mother of the group, and Yvonne and Camille, and I mean, there's joy and there's tears amongst them. And we have a beach trip we're going on next week.
Nice one.
70 of us going on the beach and one lifeguard. I don't know how that worked, but yeah, but I forget what her name. Safia Cooper.
No, Sophia.
You know her?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, she look out for me when I just start back. Greg Smith from Gin and Juice.
Oh, okay.
Sound Fuse. Don't want Ochi. Big up the whole of 8
Did you
Rivers.
used to live at Ochi?
No.
No. I can't remember when we lived there at high school, there was a thing where said Bobby Chin and Cartel come and watch it on Friday evening time.
Oh, me no know. Maybe the dance of them.
Okay.
I for big up Denisha Swak, she run the station.
Okay, cool now.
Blind Argentine, smart, yeah man. Lou, I for big up a lady called Michelle Chang. Just like I'm the best looking DJ, she's the best looking blind girl, I think.
Yeah.
I can't see her, so she look good. Big up the entire Jamaica. Big up the entire Belize. You know what I mean? Big up the whole of Japan.
Sure, man.
I want to big up Jamie in Thailand. Stand by me too. I want to big up Connie. Right? Optical Smart. I want to big up the whole of TD Care Pharmacy. That's the greatest pharmacy that's in the world. You know what I mean? Big up my driver them. All of them. Roddy. Tex. Quinn. Big up who else now? Plug. Ellis. Big up Brianna. You're that king. Big up Damian Rose. Big up Mr. McLean. Big up Sashana Satira McLean. These are people that just stand by me and respect me. Big up Teach them without a doubt.
Give a thanks, man.
You know what I mean?
There.
Big up Vibes Cartel. Come on, 2 more free dub plate, man. Big up. Cartel, hear that? You remember I said Cartel, we still have the Blackberry where me and you used to BB upon in it. We're not trying to in a Cartel. Still have the BB number, Cartel. The whole entire South Florida. That is my base. That's right, you know.
Okay. Oh, so when you're not here, you're in South Florida.
Well, I don't live here, you know.
Oh, you don't live here?
No, I'm just visiting because of you. I hear about the interview, someone said I'm come down. Big up the whole entire Maryland. And listen to this. Special big up to Margaret, Vanessa, Crystal. Them are my loyal listeners every time I play. You see me? If you want to check me up on Blind Spot, me there every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday night at 8 p.m.
Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday.
Yeah, Quiet Storm. I just
Quiet Storm.
nice music I play. I don't really play the juggling part of things. Like that. Yeah.
Give a thanks here, sir.
Yeah, man.
Get one more camera,
Yeah.
Teach them. Always make sure the message reach them.